Welcome to everybody. Today we will solve different unique calculations of a non-profit making organization. Particularly some bit questions are there. Normally your subscription for the year to be transferred to income and expenditure account, stationery consumed or sports material consumed. These are the different calculations are there, bit questions are there. These are to be solved, and one question is given here. You may look at this board. Amount paid for stationery 3,540. Creditors for stationery on 1st January, 1st April 2018 is your 400. Stock of stationery on 1st April 2018 rupees 650. Stock of stationery on 31st March 2019 is your 380. Creditors for stationery on 31st March 2019 is your 780. This is the question given. Money paid during the period this much. Opening creditor, opening stock, closing creditors. And this is the problem, and you have to calculate how much amount of stationery has been used or consumed during this period, which will be transferred to the debit balance of income and expenditure account, because we have to calculate the volume of stationery that we have consumed in this period. And you know, the period is your posting is your opening date is your 1st April 2018, closing date is your 31st March 2019. During this period आमे केते परिमाण रे स्टेशनरी किनिचे, केते परिमाण स्टेशनरी आमे कंज्यूम करिचे, all these are to be taken into account to calculate the volume of stationery that we have consumed during this period, means from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. Accordingly, these are the different questions, and these are different points are given, and considering this matter, we have to calculate the material consumed, means sports material consumed, stationery consumed, or any other material consumed. Here is given stationery, means office stationery. First of all, you have to calculate the volume of purchases made during the year. Then you have to calculate the stationery consumed during this period. First of all, you have to calculate the volume of purchases, volume of stationery purchased made during the year. Here, first one is your closing creditor. Closing creditors means closing date. Closing date is your 31st March 2019. Closing creditor here is given 31st March 2019 is your 780. You have to write here 780. Then you have to add here amount paid 3,550. Add amount paid during the year is your 3,540. You have to totalize it, is your 4,320 less opening creditor, means 1st April 2018. Opening creditor is your written here 400. The amount that we will get is your 3,920. 3,920. This is the purchase of stationery. केते परिमाण रे क्रेडिट क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर इज योर 31st March 2019 क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर केते थिला वर्ष शेष रे क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर इज फॉर करंट ईयर ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर ऑफ द पास्ट ईयर रो जोटा क्लोजिंग डेट कैलकुलेशन हेता सेटा नेक्स्ट ईयर को ओपनिंग हेता तनु वर्ष आरंभ रे जो ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर थांती जो 400 रुपीस एटा होची तुमर गत वर्ष तो सेति पई एटा को हम एटी माइनस करे जोटा क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर बाहर 780 आज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 780 इज फॉर ईयर आमे जेति परिमाण रे क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर ए वर्ष बाकी अछि दैट मींस आमे जे दुकान टू आमे ऑफिस स्टेशनरी किनुचे हमर वर्ष शेष रे बाकी अछि 700 दैट मींस 780 रुपीस इज टू बी पेड टू द कंसर्न सप्लायर जो सप्लायर पर आमे जिंस किनुचे मींस आमे स्टेशनरी किनुचे क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर एति बाकी अछि एवं ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड ऑलरेडी वी हैव पेड 3540 एटा करंट ईयर को सोची तो आमे दुइटा को प्लस कले एवं जो ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर ए जगह रे हमें देखि छे 1 अप्रैल 2018 ओपनिंग डेट रे ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर इज योर कंसीडर योर पास्ट ईयर रिकॉर्ड तो से पास्ट ईयर रिकॉर्ड को हमें माइनस करिया भी होछि कारण एटा होछि पास्ट ईयर सेते माइनस कले तेनु हमें ए पीरियड भीतर मींस 1 अप्रैल 2018 टू 31 मार्च 2019 पीरियड भीतर हमें से सप्लायर करू 3920 रुपीस रो हमें स्टेशनरी किनिचे ए जो अमाउंट 3920 सेटा हमें तापर को कैलकुलेशन देखि करबा मटेरियल कंज्यूम बा जोटा हमें कहितो स्टेशनरी कंज्यूम्ड एट मटेरियल कंज्यूम्ड कहि करे दैट मींस स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल मे बी स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल ऑफिस स्टेशनरी और एनी अदर इक्विपमेंट्स और मटेरियल्स और एनी टाइप अदर आइटम्स नॉर्मली यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड हम अकॉर्डिंग टू कैलकुलेशन करिबा एबे फर्स्ट फेज रे हम एठी कैलकुलेशन करि पाइ गले जो परचेज ऑफ स्टेशनरी ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड देन अनदर शीट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर stationery consumed here calculation of stationery consumed here that is opening stock of stationery here is given 1st April 2018 is 650 right here 650 opening stock of stationery purchase of stationery already we have calculated here find out the value of purchase of stationery during this period that 3920 this 3920 will be written here are purchase of stationery is your 3920 sum total is your 4570 less closing stock of stationery opening stock is your 1st April 2018 closing stock is your 31st March 2019 closing stock of stationery here is written stock of stationery on 31st March 2019 is your 380 it is your value 4190 that is the stationery consumed during this period which will be transferred to income and expenditure account exactly it will be shown in the debit side of income and expenditure account the volume of stationery that we have consumed during this period 4190 accordingly you have to calculate in two phases. First of all, you have to calculate the purchase of stationery, then considering the after finding out the volume of purchase of stationery, then you have to calculate the stationery consumed during this period, and then after finding the purchase of stationery, take opening stock of stationery, add purchase of stationery, less closing stock of stationery is your stationery consumed. This is how you have to calculate income and expenditure account, and this is the method already we have taught in the cost accounting. Whenever we calculate the comprehensive cost sheet, material consumed, opening stock of material, add purchase of material, add expenses on purchase, sum total minus closing stock of material is your material consumed. This is how it is also calculated in the same way, that is opening stock of stationery, purchase of stationery, add purchase of stationery, less closing stock of stationery is your material consumed, or it is here written, here is written is your stationery consumed. But this amount of 3920 will be calculated in the first phase. First of all, you have to calculate the purchase of stationery, then this amount will be taken into account for the second phase to calculate the stationery consumed. Here purchase of stationery 3920, that will be taken here, purchase of stationery 3920, and accordingly you have to calculate to find out the stationery consumed, which will be debited to your income and expenditure account. Okay, next question is your another question is about subscription. Here subscription regarding the different informations are given to calculate the amount of a subscription is to be transferred to income and expenditure account. And you know, subscription is a prime source of income for a non-profit making organization, and here you have to calculate the actual amount of subscription to be taken into account for the current year. And here is written subscription received, the sum total amount is received, the total amount received is your 48,000. Opening area, it is otherwise known as subscription outstanding opening. Opening subscription outstanding 3,000. Opening subscription in advance 7,000. Closing advance means subscription received in advance 4,000. Different term is written in different question. I will clarify you the other terms. Closing advance means subscription received in advance for the next year. Closing area, subscription outstanding at the end of the year. Amount is given, and you are asked to calculate the exact amount of subscription for the current year. And here the question is clear about the subscription, not only the 48,000 subscription amount received is not only for the current year but also of the past year and as well as for the subsequent year, means assessment year. And you have to calculate, these are the terms on the total amount is of 48,000. These are the amount added will be added or subtracted, and accordingly you have to calculate the exact amount for the current year. पिले जानिथिबो पूर्व क्लास रे यार गोटे छोट थीम बुझाइथिली, से थीम टाको जदि मन रखिथिबो ता निश्चित भाव में ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिया पे कष्ट होबानी. आज दिन रे मु तुमको रिमाइंड करे दउची, लाइक दिस इज योर it is your previous year means past year, it is your current year, this one is your assessment year. Let example, let it is your 2019, current year is your 2020, it is your 2021. पास्ट ईयर जेतबे रेकर्ड फाइनल हुए निश्चित भाव में पास्ट ईयर क्लोजिंग एरियर था आउ क्लोजिंग एडवांस था. ये जो क्लोजिंग एरिया क्लोजिंग एडवांस इट इज ट्रांसफर टू सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर मीन्स करेंट ईयर को एटा ओपनिंग हो जाए. दैट मीन्स ओपनिंग एरिया ओपनिंग एडवांस. सिमिलरली आमे से पीरियड भितर किछि रिसीव करथिबा अमाउंट रिसीव्ड वॉल्यूम ऑफ अमाउंट आमे रिसीव करथिबा एवं जेतरे करंट ईयर क्लोज करबा करंट ईयर क्लोज रे मध्ये आमे किछि क्लोजिंग एरिया रहिबो किछि क्लोजिंग एडवांस रहिबो ओपनिंग एरिया ओपनिंग एडवांस क्लोजिंग एडवांस दैट मींस the closing balance of the previous year becomes the opening balance of the current year. That is opening area means opening outstanding, opening advance this much. During this period we have received the volume of amount as a whole, and side by side whenever we finalize the account of the current year, naturally we find some area amount, that means in number of members may not pay for the current year, that is closing area and closing advance at the end of the year. ए दुईटा ओपनिंग एरिया एटा गत वर्षर बाकी करंट ईयर को ट्रांसफर होईची गत वर्षर जो मेंबर माने करंट ईयर पय पेमेंट करचंती सेटा महा ट्रांसफर हे आसला दैट मींस ओपनिंग एरिया एटा गत वर्षर बाकी ओपनिंग एडवांस जो माने 2019 मसिया रे 2020 पय पेमेंट करचंती एटा ह ओपनिंग एडवांस जो माने अपडेट पेमेंट करती समान भितर रिसीव सेटल पड़िथिबो क्लोजिंग ईयर ए करंट ईयर भितर मध्ये किछि लोक ये 2020 मींस करंट ईयर मध्ये किछि लोक मेंबर माने पैसा देइ नथांती सब्सक्रिप्शन देइ नथांती तो तांकर लिस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर करंट ईयर एति की एरिया सब्सक्रिप्शन बाबद बाकी अछि एमति की 2020 रे मध्ये किछि मेंबर 20 रो पेमेंट करी करंट ईयर पेमेंट करी एमिति भी किछि लोक अछि जो माने सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर को मध्ये एडवांस देइ दियंती that means 2021 by 2020 रे हमें मतलब किछि एडवांस रिसीव कर परबा this advance is not for the 2020 it is for 2021 so as this amount is received for the current year but it will be taken into account for the calculation for 2020 not in 2020 2021 not in 2020 similarly opening area is your previous year area which has already been calculated in the past year only the due amount not collected is taken into account for the purpose of receipt in future तनो ये ओपनिंग एरिया टा तमर ये ओपनिंग एरिया टा रिलेट करूची करे पास्ट ईयर को ये क्लोजिंग एडवांस रिलेट करूची असेसमेंट ईयर को दैट मींस ए दुईटा अमाउंट तुमको माइनस करिबा पई पड़िबा जेतु these two heads are not related to the current year rather these are related to the past year and assessment year that means opening area closing advance it will be deducted opening advance past year ru hame current year mein paitse it will be added similarly closing area relates to the current year it will be added that means the volume of amount that should have received is again revised taking into account opening area opening advance closing area closing advance two items will be added which are purely related to the current year and these two items means opening area and closing area will be subtracted as it is related to past year and assessment year. The same model here is given subscription receipt opening area opening advance closing advance closing area this amount is given here total amount received 48,000 opening area 3,000 opening advance 7,000 closing advance 4,000 closing area 5,000 and considering these informations you have to calculate how much amount of subscription to be taken into account or to be credited to income and expenditure account. It is credited income and expenditure account because subscription is the primary source of income of the organization. Now see calculation is like this. Here calculation of subscription to be transferred to or to be credited To be transferred, you can write to be transferred or to be credited to income and expenditure account. The procedure is your first of all you have to write the 48,000. Here amount received is your 48,000. Amount received is your 48,000. Here the four informations, out of the four information, 2 items will be added and 2 items will be deducted. Now add. Which one is your opening advance? Opening advance. Another one is your opening advance is your 7,000. Another one is your closing area. Add closing area. These two terms related to your current year. That is why these two terms will be added to the amount received. Opening advance transferred from past year. Closing area for the current year. Closing area is your 5,000. Sum total is your 60,000. 60,000 next less. Another 2 times that is items, that is opening area. It is related to past year, that is why it should be deducted. Opening area means your opening outstanding. Opening area is your 3,000. Will be written in the inner column. Side by side, another one is your closing advance. Closing advance is your 4,000. Here is written closing advance rupees 4,000. Closing advance. Closing advance is your 4,000. Will be written in the inner column. Sum total is your 7,000. The total amount to be deducted from 60,000 is your 7,000. Now the amount that we get is your 53,000, which will be transferred to the credit side of income and expenditure account. Okay. Now write the heading subscription is to be credited to income and expenditure account. This is how you have to calculate the amount of subscription which will be taken into account for the purpose of calculating income and expenditure account, and thus this amount will be credited to your income and expenditure account. Okay. Now see here, this is how different question will be given. The different questions will be given, and side by side you have to accordingly calculate this one. In number of questions, the 4 adjustment may not be given. In some cases 2 adjustment, 3 adjustment, 1 adjustment will be given. Considering the nature of the adjustment, like area advance, opening area or opening advance, closing area or closing advance, considering the nature of the item, accordingly you have to add or subtract, and finally you will find the amount which will be taken into account for the purpose of calculating income and expenditure account. That means exactly the amount to be credited to income and expenditure account. Now see another calculation. Apart from this type of calculation, another type of calculation is given. Sometimes may be asked in the question, and you have to know this one. Here there are 250 members is paying rupees 100 each per annum. Simply question is given in the adjustment point. Is given there are 200, maybe given in such type of adjustments. There are 250 members and each paying rupees 100 each per annum. That means प्रत्येक मेंबर वर्ष को 100 टंका लेखा से सोसाइटी को से क्लब को चंदा दउछंती ताले टोटल सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर द ईयर दैट मींस 250 at the rate of rupees 100 is your rupees 25,000. Here ये प्रकार कैलकुलेशन परे बेले बेले एमिति मध्य ये क्वेश्चन मध्य देइथिबो जदि ए प्रकार मॉडल क्वेश्चन हला ताले तमे स्ट्रेट नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स सहित प्रत्येक मेंबर जितके लेखा चंदा दउचंती बा सब्सक्रिप्शन दउचंती हमें मल्टीप्लाई करबा स्ट्रेट ए 25,000 तमर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट को स्ट्रेट क्रेडिट कर दो बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन रुपीस 25,000 इतरे तमे ए जिंस को कंसीडर करबा ना सीधा स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज़ account is prepared on accrual basis either received or to be received means I receive करि सारिचे बा किछि रिसीव करबा को अछि जहा हम एरियर को लिंक होचे so all these are to be taken and only the amount of this much that means 250 members at the rate of rupees 100 total amount 25,000 will be posted in the credit side of income and the expenditure account but in the question your feeder is your receipt and payment account. Previous class में ये बाबत रे मध्य बुझेछि receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account रे receipt side रे तमर capital receipt थिबो revenue receipt थिबो एपट रे capital payments थिबो receipt revenue payments थिबो. Let example एठी subscription बाबत रे क्वेश्चन कहूची जे आमे let example 21,000 receive करछे due amount is your 25,000 but received 21,000 the received side shows the subscription received during the year 21,000 but amar calculation बाहरची 25,000 हवा दरकार जेहेतु आमे एठी 21,000 received side show करूची that means 4,000 is your closing area एटा हिबो indirectly you have to calculate 25,000 amount is due out of 25,000 I am receive करछे शो करूची 21,000 means difference amount is your 4,000 is your closing area indirectly you have to calculate this 4,000 that is subscription due means जोटा का हमें कहूचे आज इट इज रेट ऑफ इनकम एंड इनकम जोटा एरियर है ताको हम कहता accrued income that 4,000 will be shown in the asset side of the balance sheet like it is an adjustment to 400 calculation as well then 4,000 difference I mean will be shown in the asset side of the balance sheet like the 4,000 जो balance sheet हमें बनेबा ये balance sheet जो तमरो asset side रे लिखि दबो subscription outstanding rupees 4,000 means 25,000 minus 21,000 received difference amount is your 4,000 एटे लिखि दबो subscription due or subscription outstanding balance sheet रो asset side Similarly, empty number of questions आसीबो अलगा किछ वे मध्ये कैलकुलेशन आसी पारे नजर रखी ए ढंग रे तुमको कैलकुलेशन करिया भी पड़िबा ओके एबे पिले बही रे निश्चित भाव रे ए मॉडल क्वेश्चन पाइबो बही मध्ये अछि कोनोसी बही भी फॉलो करो से बही रे देखिबो ए प्रकार कैलकुलेशन लाइक स्टेशनरी कंज्यूम्ड income means your subscription different way calculation number of varieties questions are given in the question accordingly follow the rules and solve these problems if any problem will arise call me I will solve you